Hey, good morning, everybody, and welcome to another daily market report brought to you by Mike Bjork. And today is Thursday, September 16th, and we do got quite a bit of news today, as well as obviously tomorrow we'll have some big news. Today we got the initial jobless claims came down to about 450. So of course, the traders are a little excited about the drop of about 3,000 jobs, even though it's relatively high. Now we got the producer price index. It looks a little high there, 0.4, but when you 4%. But if you take out the volatility of the food and energy, actually it comes in pretty tame at 0.1%. So that's the number that we're going to be really kind of watching, is the core, because you have to take that volatility of food and energy. So remember, this is kind of a prelude for tomorrow with the CPI. So we'll have to see if the PPI, their price is going up or their cost going up. Are they going to eat that, or are they going to pass it on to the consumer? So that will be kind of the big news for tomorrow, will be the CPI report. The other news here is Philly Fed still down negative, so they're in a contraction state right now. No expansion on the Philly Fed side. Manufacturing in the Philadelphia region, reported by the Philadelphia Fed, still negative. So that's obviously not very good economic news. Currently, this morning, the stock market's down a little bit. And you also had FedEx came out with their second quarter and what they're feeling for the rest of the 2010. They don't view a very good outlook here. So that's of course disappointing Wall Street. And then also on the news is foreclosures have been rising. So we'll take a look at the bond index here. We did start a little bit higher than when we left off yesterday. We did have a bit of a slide yesterday. As I mentioned, we had some of this, I didn't put the lines in today, but we had this line kind of going down this way, and we had kind of going up here. And right now, we're kind of, they kept touching the bottoms here. So right now, it looks like we could be blasting below it. The trend lines here with today, we're about 30 basis points for the day low. So we'll probably, for some lenders, will probably be repricing for the worst already this morning, mostly for the East Coast, and then West Coast will probably be coming out with the worst rates automatically. So, mortgage rates are worsening. These are more technical. The bad news, the economic news is still bad, so that should actually be good news for the bonds. So I do think these are some overreactions here, and we'll probably see some type of correction more towards the positive side. I'm still kind of feeling a little bullish for bonds right now than I am anything else right now. So I don't think with the economic news, it's still not that good. So therefore, I think that money usually goes into the bond markets. So I think we'll see at some point again in the near future that the bonds will show some improvement. So therefore, mortgage rates will improve. All right, guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And anything else again changes, I'll let you know. Have a great day.